going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with an absolutely crazy video. Just look behind me. We have been invited down by Team TSR Racing, a World Championship F1 sidecar team, to go out in this crazy 130 brake horsepower, 220 kg sidecar. Guys, we're at Castle Combe and I'm riding passenger. Stay tuned for this one. It's going to be crazy. Let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. Dino, welcome to the channel, brother.
Hi Jamie, how you doing, mate?
I am good. Listen, I've been in some crazy stuff. I've had some crazy stuff on the channel, but I think this one might just take the top spot.
Well, I think this will be a bit entertaining for you. This is a Formula One sidecar.
Okay.
It's an LCR chassis, okay. And we currently race it in British Superbikes, along with the British Superbikes in the Sidecar Championship.
Okay, okay. So you'll have to forgive me because, again, I'm sure some of the viewers right now, they've never actually seen one of these go around the track, let alone in person. So me seeing this first time, everything is alien. Do you mind giving us a little bit of a kind of a nutshell talk over what we're looking at and a little bit about the bike? Yeah,
so the bike is, construction is aluminium, and it's a monocoque chassis.
Okay.
So it's aircraft technology, basically.
Okay.
It's mostly carbon fiber, mostly carbon fiber aluminium, and obviously then you got your steel stuff, which is where all your brakes and everything hangs off of it.
Got you.
Carbon fiber on the back. Okay. Up the side here, you've got your radiators and your oil coolers. Okay. They all fit in there. Then you come to the business area. When we come round here, CBR 600RR engine. Okay. We have to run standard engines to run in the British Superbikes Championship and also the World Championships. So these are stock engines. Okay. The only difference we have is we can run, our electronics are free. So we can use whatever electronics we like to enhance the engine. Okay. What kind of power would this make then, stock? This is between 120 and 130 horsepower. Okay, right. For my viewers at home, they'll probably be like, right, that's not the most, but what does this weigh? 220 kilos. Oh my God. It's pretty quick. Okay. Obviously it's light, it's nimble, and we got a lot of downforce on the bike when it's up to speed. You get a fast sensation as you're only 50 mil off the ground. So you're right down low, which you'll see later, Jamie. Crazy, crazy. Yep. This runs Motec electronics. Okay. So it's fully programmable. Also we monitor everything on the bike. So it monitors all your coolants, it monitors brake pressure, temperature, oil temperature, water temperature, absolutely everything all comes up on the dash. On the dash, yeah. And the dash is obviously giving myself, the driver, all the information I need. Yeah, okay, you know? Cool, cool. And this bit here is where I'm going to be perilously hanging on, yeah? That's your area as the passenger. Passenger is not really a correct word for these. That was, you know, you end up, to be fair, being a co-driver. Okay, okay. Because what you do on the back affects what the bike does. Of course. So it's a 50-50 sort of thing when you're on track. You know, we've had some crazy stuff on the channel, but here you go, eat your heart out. This is, yeah, I think this is right up there at the top. What Tom does in what you'll be doing is you're balancing the bike. So you're responsible for how the balance of the bike goes through the corners, the weight transfer, how much weight goes on the rear, whether we want the rear wheel to spin, whether we don't want the rear wheel to spin, whether we want to hover that wheel over a curb, whether we want to drop it down. Yeah. Also, how much brake force I can do. Oh, wow. You know, so it's integral part of the. So no pressure on my part. No pressure at all, Jamie. Right? All right, thanks for the chat, mate. No problem. Cool. Thank you. Tom, welcome back to the channel, brother. How you doing? You were the crazy passenger. Now, your official name is a passenger on the sidecar. So you do all the crazy maneuvering and basically
50% of the work, pretty much, right?
Yeah, it's team sport, so we've got to work together to get the bike round as fast as possible. It's definitely more of a co-driving position. I think if you look up passenger, it's just someone that sits there, and it's definitely not that, is it? You'll see shortly. Okay, so this is the back of a Formula 1 sidecar, so the platforms vary on different models, but this is what's currently used in a sort of standardised British and World Series. So on the back here, you've just got the one main handle in the centre. I have a footrest to my left. It's not a pedal, it's just a rest. And then the rest of my handholds are just cutouts in the bodywork, which you'll see in different positions. So basic position, if we were tucked in on a straight and we're just trying to keep down, we're trying to keep down as low as we can, out the wind, tucked in underneath the air intake.
Wow.
And I'm just holding on here with the one hand around the post and my legs locked in the position, keeping as low as possible.
Got ya.
We're approaching right-hander, so I put my arm back over the top, reach for a handhold. I come up onto my footrest as it starts to brake. I steady the bike by keeping my weight on the back wheel as we're braking hard to stop it from lifting. I'll then start to lift myself over as we come into the corner, at which point this hand will move off my post and onto my air intake, and I've got another handle further down here where I can get as low as possible and my weight on the inside of the bike.
What on earth? Are you seeing this, guys?
Yeah.
That is insane.
So that's only one part of it. So we're then coming back out of it, so we're going through a chicane, we're going right to left. We're going to start to move ourselves back towards the centre of the bike. My arm's going to come back across my handles. I'm going to drop to my knees this time, where I'm then going to transition and roll myself back across the bike, keeping low as possible, and then push my body weight out over the left-hand side of the bike.
Wow, wow.
So
you're properly off the bike. Look at this, guys.
It's just simply the G-force holding your feet back in against the bike.
Mate, so you're a nutter, but I'm not as crazy as you. How am I, like, I'm not quite a passenger. I feel like a hostage in this. How would a hostage sit?
So, yeah, victim seat. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in the middle. We're not going to get you doing the crazy stuff, moving left and right. To start with, just want you to experience the bike, the brakes, acceleration, and just the grip it's got through the corners. So we're just going to get you sat in the middle, which is a good compromise then. The driver, Dean, it's predictable. He knows where you are, so he can drive to that. So I'm just going to show you how you're going to sit in there. And it's very similar to how I'd sort of sit when we're going down a straight. I'm going to sit back into the middle, hands on these two handholds.
And just chill like that.
Upright position. Yeah, you can try and chill. And yeah, you're not going to be doing any one-handed tucks or anything like that.
I don't know, I might get confident.
Just want you holding on. And yeah, that's what you're going to do. Just enjoy it.
Cool. All right, bro. I think there's nothing left to do but get leathered up and hit the track.
Let's do it. Yeah, so that foot goes across.
Like that?
You got it. Yeah. Left hand on the post. So your left hand on that, wrap around it. Right hand. Right hand hold there, you'll feel just keep your hand in there, you'll be fine.
All right. I think I'm ready.
You'll be right. Yeah, if you really want to get off, punch him. Just punch him back.
I'm trying to slap him, I'm off.
Yeah, just slap him. If you do want to tap him with that hand, not that one.
Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, we're all ready, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Why do I do this? Oh my god. All for the culture, guys, all for the culture. Oh my god, you feel everything. This is crazy, I do not feel safe. Oh my god, this is scary as hell. we lost something. I think we've lost something. I can hear something. I think we lost something, guys. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I heard something drop. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it was, but it's coming from down here. I heard something fall off. That's insane. I heard something fall off. I'm not sure what it was. It was what, sorry? I heard something go dush and roll underneath. Oh my god, mate, that's extreme. I've never felt forces like that. Oh, the chain's come off, mate. The chain's come off. Yeah, mate, I think that chain come off right at time. It was either the chain was coming off or I was coming off. Mate, my legs and my arms are finished already. And you were going like 50%. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Well, dude.
Oh, and that's how it goes.
Oh, mate, gutted.
So guys, we just pulled back up from going out on the circuit in that crazy thing. Like, as you probably would have seen or heard, the sprocket fell off or the chain fell off or something like that. But literally at that point, it was either me or the chain, because I was so tense the whole way round, like holding on for honest dear life. And that was like a lap and a half that, like, I don't think I could have taken much more. It was like, I don't know, like one more lap max, and then I would have been tapping out, and honestly tapping out, because you're scared for your life. Like, you can literally pull off the back. As far as crazy experiences go, this has got, I know I always say this, but this has got to be number one. It's just crazy. I think what we'll do is we'll have a chat to Dino and just work out exactly what happened, and yeah, go from there. Dino, oh mate, I mean, look, before we go anywhere and talk about what happened, I just want to say thank you so much for that experience, because again, I've had some crazy experiences in my lifetime, but this was up there with, if not the craziest experiences I've ever had. I was holding on for dear life. Do you want to talk through why we think what happened and
yeah, sure, James. I mean, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Obviously, it's a different experience to anything else like cars or bikes. These are unique bits of equipment. Yeah, unfortunately, what we've had, this is a brand new engine which we've put in. We were hoping to bed it in out there with a few laps with Tom, the passenger, and then take yourself out. On going round, we noticed we had a bit of clutch slip on it. Now, we have what they call a slipper clutch in there, and we have to set what they call the deck height on that. It seems to be we're slightly out on that, so it was slipping the clutch. We managed to get you out in there and get you driving round, you know, and experience what it's like. Maybe not at full speed, but certainly enough enough for you to experience what it's like. Yeah. Then we realised that there was something wrong, and it looks like we've either sheared a front sprocket. It could be something to do with what was happening with the clutch. Until we investigate, we won't really know. Got you. So it's a case of having a look and see what's gone wrong. What's what. Yeah. Like any of these machines, it's exactly. It's a race machine. Yeah. And like any motorsport, things go wrong. Unfortunately, you know, these things happen. No. Bit unlucky, but I'm glad you got to enjoy it, mate. I
had the time of my life. I just want to shake your hand and say thank you once again. A massive shout out to Team TSR. I'll leave any links to any of your socials below in the description so people can find you. And once again, a massive thank you for giving me this experience.
Yeah, that's no problem. Anytime, mate. I mean, we're just trying to get the sport out there and give people the opportunity to see what this is about. Yeah, you know.
Well, hopefully today we've shed some good light on it.
Thank you very much, mate.
Nice one, mate. All the best. Mate. All right, guys. So we're going to end the video here, but as you've seen today, an absolutely wacky experience. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. You know, it didn't end the way we all kind of wanted it to end. I mean, I don't know how we wanted it to end, to tell the truth. Half you guys wanted me to fall off, I know. But I held on for dear life, and I think, to tell the truth, the chain fell off at the right time, because I was literally at my limits. It's so crazy. There's no way to kind of tell you or express it. You kind of have to experience it, but hopefully you've had a good insight regardless. Guys, we're going to end the video here, so if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Once again, a massive shout out to TSR Racing, and as ever, we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.